When it comes to managing nerve damage, many people look for solutions in expensive medications and treatments. However, there is another path to consider, one that doesn't involve the cost or side effects of pharmaceutical drugs. In fact, you may already have the solution to nerve pain right in your kitchen. Certain foods have been shown to significantly improve nerve health and promote nerve regeneration, offering relief from the discomfort and pain that often accompany nerve damage. If you've been struggling with nerve pain, whether it's in your hands, feet, or elsewhere in your body, it's time to look closely at some of the common foods that may help alleviate your symptoms and even repair damaged nerves. In this article, we'll explore 10 powerful, science-backed foods that can aid in nerve repair and help you regain the comfort and vitality you once enjoyed. 1. Leafy greens. You've probably been told throughout your life to eat your greens, and for good reason. Leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli aren't just good for your overall health, they're specifically beneficial for your nerve function. These vegetables are packed with vitamin B and alpha-lipoic acid, both of which are essential for nerve regeneration and proper nerve function. Vitamin B, in particular, has been shown to improve nerve conduction, while alpha-lipoic acid helps protect nerves from oxidative stress. This combination of nutrients makes leafy greens an excellent choice for anyone experiencing nerve pain or discomfort. A 2017 study found that alpha-lipoic acid not only supports nerve regeneration but also shields nerves from further damage. By including broccoli, spinach, and asparagus in your diet, you can help your body repair and maintain its nerve health naturally. 2. Caviar. Caviar is often considered a luxury food, associated with indulgence and extravagance. However, what many people don't realize is that it's also incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids and iron, two nutrients that are essential for optimal nerve function. Omega-3s are well known for their ability to support heart health, but they also play a critical role in ensuring smooth nerve transmission and promoting the healing of damaged nerves. While caviar may not be a regular part of your grocery list, if you do have access to it, it's worth considering for its nerve-healing properties. If you're able to enjoy this delicacy, it could be a valuable addition to your nerve care regimen. 3. Pumpkin seeds. At first glance, pumpkin seeds may seem like a simple snack, but don't let their small size fool you. These seeds are packed with magnesium and potassium, two key minerals that support nerve health. Magnesium is particularly helpful for calming overactive nerves, while potassium is critical for ensuring proper nerve conduction. Adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your diet each day can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to repair nerve damage and promote optimal nerve function. Whether you sprinkle them on salads, add them to smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack, pumpkin seeds are a simple yet effective way to support your nerve health. 4. Ginger. Ginger has long been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it turns out that this spice can be incredibly helpful when it comes to managing nerve pain. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has powerful healing abilities. It's known for its ability to reduce inflammation and ease pain, including the pain associated with neuropathy and other forms of nerve damage. Incorporating ginger into your diet can be as simple as adding it to your tea, soups, or smoothies. Whether fresh, powdered, or as an oil, ginger works wonders in alleviating nerve pain and promoting healing. Its anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce the discomfort that often comes with damaged nerves, providing much-needed relief. 5. Turmeric. Another spice that's become well known for its healing properties is turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that has been shown to have significant benefits for those with nerve damage. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation, protecting against oxidative stress, and promoting nerve healing. Incorporating turmeric into your meals can be a great way to help manage nerve pain naturally. Whether you sprinkle it on your dishes, mix it into smoothies, or make a soothing turmeric tea, this vibrant yellow spice can provide you with the relief you need. Over time, turmeric can significantly improve your nerve health and reduce the discomfort caused by damaged nerves. 6. Walnuts. Did you know that walnuts are considered brain food? Not only are they great for your cognitive health, but they also have an impressive nutrient profile that supports nerve health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for nerve regeneration and maintaining the health of the myelin sheath, the protective covering around your nerves. In addition to omega-3s, walnuts contain antioxidants that help combat inflammation, a major contributor to nerve pain and damage. By adding just a handful of walnuts to your diet each day, you can give your nerves the nutrients they need to heal and function properly. Over time, these tiny powerhouses can help reduce nerve damage and improve your overall quality of life. 7. Chamomile. Chamomile is often associated with its calming effects, and for good reason. This herb has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, including nerve pain. Chamomile contains powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and alleviate neuropathic pain. Drinking chamomile tea is one of the easiest ways to incorporate this healing herb into your routine. Not only will it help soothe your nerves, but it can also help manage blood sugar levels, which is especially important for those suffering from diabetic neuropathy. If you prefer, chamomile essential oil can also be applied topically to the skin to ease discomfort and promote relaxation. 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is often referred to as a superfood due to its impressive nutrient profile, and for good reason. This ancient grain is an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps facilitate nerve conduction. Proper potassium levels are crucial for healthy nerve function, and quinoa is one of the best plant-based sources of this vital nutrient. In addition to potassium, quinoa is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for repairing tissue and promoting overall health. Including quinoa in your diet is a simple and effective way to support nerve regeneration and ensure your body has the necessary nutrients to heal damaged nerves. 9. Fruits. Fruits are not only delicious, but they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to nerve health. Many fruits are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and support nerve regeneration. In particular, fruits like berries, apples, oranges, and grapes are full of flavonoids, including a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your daily diet can provide your body with the necessary nutrients to heal damaged nerves. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to smoothies, or toss them into a salad, fruits are a tasty and nutritious way to promote nerve health and reduce neuropathic pain. 10. Water. Water may seem like a simple, everyday necessity, but it plays a crucial role in the healing process. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining nerve function and ensuring that nutrients are effectively delivered to your nerves. Water acts as the transport system for nutrients, helping to nourish your body's cells and keep the healing process flowing smoothly. If you're not drinking enough water, your body may struggle to repair nerve damage. Ensuring you drink at least 8 glasses of water per day is a simple yet powerful step you can take to promote nerve health and alleviate the discomfort associated with neuropathy. Final thoughts. While nerve damage can be a difficult and painful condition to manage, there are natural solutions that can help you find relief. By incorporating nutritious foods like leafy greens, caviar, pumpkin seeds, ginger, turmeric, walnuts, chamomile, quinoa, fruits, and water into your diet, you can support your body's nerve regeneration process and experience a reduction in pain and discomfort. It's important to remember that healing takes time, and what works for one person may not work for another. However, by making these changes to your diet and paying attention to how your body responds, you may find significant improvement in your nerve health. If you found this article helpful, be sure to share it with others who may benefit from this information. You can also join the conversation by leaving a comment below. What foods have you tried that have helped with nerve pain? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice.